Hi guys, I hope you're good. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and I'm in the bathroom trying to do my hair. It's a mess. So while I wait for my sister, I'm gonna do my hair. Okay. I hear you.
Imagine if I were to have the opposite of your usual.
So I put it into. I think you really nothing. I hope I don't mess it up. Can you go for some mandarin?
That shout out my hand. Hey, Chloe used to love this song.
What does it talk about?
I don't know. But I'm gonna say don't shout out my hand. Don't shout out my hand. Hey, it's not saying about heartbreaking was
Yo, the eyes are even more.
You, I've been checking them ever since my eyes were on. I mean on you, not on the eyes. Can we just go now?
Yes, you can. Whatever you're doing, I'll put it somewhere.
Yeah, sure. Can we have a whole day? What's gonna happen?
I left my muscles out of my head.
What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen, right?
We have the whole day.
No, I like what I see as.
Yes, too.
Yeah, even if it flips, check them all, yeah.
Sure.
Let me remove my. Would you break for the I'm removing my hairs, ne? Don't worry about. I'm just removing my remains. Yes, yeah. I don't like to leave me out. My video
Someone else.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Ito no, lagi.
This is going to be December.
Di ba, right?
So I'm not sure.
Ako na ko pataw. Eh, wala gel.
I don't remember what to shoot.
It won't even do enough. I should chill magku. You might as well. And go and say, this is how we wash them. Yes.
I don't know.
We do it like this.
My mom,
There's a lens spray, ne? And then there's a solution. You dip the spectacles inside, and then you wash it with water. You dip it when you don't just wash. He's just finding his sense of humor, like on the spot. For myself. Punya ka bhai. Ore ka kete erga shot. Agi wo ne. For a pie.
For your pie. There they are.
My flavor is finished.
Just ask them.
If it's not there, I think I'm gonna have blazen.
Yeah. Or I'll put them in. Wala gitu mo fa ditaba ka mo ka arjele akakaya. Into offside siya. So yeah.
Kinagda.
Kasi mo tayo. Bakit tambal ako mo?
Wanna lifi din lahat. Yan na.
Yung pa. Luxury and Lexus. Man, ito ba ang gawa siya din mo?
Get it.
I think it's a gift from yeah, all of the album.
What it's supposed to do?
Gosh,
Yeah, like
is it doing it?
no, it's
Que video, chef.
One old. One fridge.
Yeah, tennis.
Salad.
And also
I don't take small cups. Look, this is a massive blow. Flat. So when you got I'm just trying to get something to drink because I'm dry. Very dry. I just got tea. Whew, I've been long looking for tea everywhere and I couldn't find it. So I finally got tea. Yay.
Hello.
Mustard. Nakakalafunan na niya. Ufuna ka telkom ya menu. And about 30 minutes job on New York. I feel 1,000 per month. Now she has unlimited. You have it for 7 days. I finally got tea. Yeah. And I finally ate it. VLLO. Right now we look at Ragatropo.
Okay.
Whatever we do today, next century go one or in between the Aropolo or century before. I was honest, I think I speaking go read it as only I once. But next time you know when I go to Zari. Hey. COVID for 3 months.
That's a lot.
Yeah. What's our school?